Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, good. I am also doing good. And today we have to start our third chapter. Today we have to start our third chapter, and the chapter's name is A Present for Mother. A Present for Mother. Which is our third chapter? A Present for Mother. What is present? Presentation. What is presentation? Present. We are giving a present to somebody else. On birthday present are there. Then for congratulating them if they score high marks in an examination, we will give some present to them. And what is the meaning of present? What do you mean by present? Gift. Present means gift. Present. Present means gift. A present for mother. Take page number 23. All of you take your test and take page number 23. Arika is looking for a present for her mom. Mom. And here is a girl. This is the picture. Show way. That means find the way. And here is a girl and her name is Arika. What's her name? Arika. She is looking for a present for her mother. From where do we get presents? Where do we buy presents? From gift shops. We buy presents from gift shop. Here is a gift shop and here is a girl and she is Arika and she don't know how to reach the gift shop. She don't know how to reach the gift shop. So, can you guide her to the gift shop? In your comic magazines and Balarama and there are so many books are there and Kalikudka and you have find so many solving the path or find the path. Here you find or you show the way to the gift shop to Arika. Here is Arika, she get confused, she don't know the way to the gift shop. Can you help her to lead her to the gift shop? Okay, you do it yourself. Okay, then take the next page. We are going to study a play. What is a play? What is the meaning of play? You all know that play is play. You want to play outside. You are playing hide and seek. You are playing then which are the other games you played? Hide and seek, then catch, cricket, hockey, that only you know. Here, play means drama. What is the meaning? Drama, play. Drama, what is the meaning of drama? Do you know the Malayalam meaning of drama? Nadagam. Here, we are going to study a play. We are going to study a drama. And there are so many scenes in dramas. One scene, after that in drama there are curtains and all those things. While we are playing a drama, in the first scene the curtain rises and after the end of the first scene the curtain falls down and there are intervals. And like that we are going to study a drama. Here we are going to study a drama, that is play. If we are studying a drama, there will be characters in the play. There will be characters who are acting. The acting people, characters. In their actors are there. Drama, there were so many actors. Here in this drama, A Present for Mother. This is a drama and the title is The Present for Mother. And who are the characters? Let us have a look at the text. You take page number 24 and look at the text. The characters are Jenny. First character, Jenny, J-A-N-I-E, Jenny. Then next one, Bill. Jenny is a girl. And next one, Bill, B-I-L-L, Bill, a boy. Bill is a boy and Jenny is a girl. Jenny is a girl and Bill is a boy. And who are the other characters? Little squirrel. What is squirrel? It's an animal. It's a squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. A squirrel was there. It is a little squirrel. There was a little squirrel. Little deer. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Deer was there. Then little bear. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Then who is the next one? Little rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Little rabbit. The next one, Mr. Wise Old Owl. It is an owl and it was wise old owl. Wise, W-I-S-E. Old owl. Who were the characters in the play? Who were the characters in the play? Can you name the characters? Yes. Who were the characters? Jenny, Bill, little squirrel, little deer, and who is the next one? Little rabbit, and the last one is the wise old owl. Last one is wise old owl. Can you name the characters? Can you? All of you should name the characters. Yes, who are the characters? Jenny, Bill, little squirrel, little deer, little bear, little rabbit. Yes, the wise old owl. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters in the play. How many characters are there in this play? 7 characters are there in this play. We are going to study a play. Play meaning drama. And here are so many characters. How many characters? 7 characters are there. Jenny is a girl. Bill is a boy. Then next one. Little squirrel. Little bear. Little deer. Little rabbit. And the wise old owl. Wise old owl. In this play there are 2 scenes. How many scenes are there in this play? 2 scenes are there in this play. 2 scenes are there. S-C-E-N-E. Scene 1, scene 2. In scene 1 settings, when we go to the festival of temple or like any other occasion, we went to see dramas are there, plays are there, and before at the beginning of the play, before beginning the play, what can we see? The curtain fell down. There was we couldn't see anything inside the stage. We couldn't see anything inside the stage. When the curtain rises, we see the picture of a beautiful house or like that, a picture of a church or something else like that. Here the settings, the woods, a big fallen log in the center with the bushes around it. What is the difference between wood and woods? Wood is there, we all know that wood is log, tree wood. Then what is woods? What is the meaning of woods? Woods, forest. Woods means forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. There is a beautiful poem by Robert Frost. In your elder classes, you will study beautiful poem by Robert Frost, that stopping by woods on a snowy evening. In that poem, the first line is, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. And like that we will learn in the elder classes. Then higher classes, you will study the poem. Here I mentioned that first line to see what is woods. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Woods means forest. Woods means forest. Here the woods, in the woods, the first scene is in the woods, in the forest area, and a big fallen log in the center with the bushes around it. What can we see in the first scene? A small fallen log is already there and it is used for sitting. The animals are used to sit in the log. A log means a piece of wood. What is the meaning of log? A piece of wood. Log means a piece of wood. A log was there and we can see, look at the picture. A log was there and it is surrounded by so many bushes. Bushes means small plants or trees. Small trees are called bushes. Small trees. And in the center there with the bushes around. What was around the log? There were so many bushes around the log. And Jenny and Bill enter and heads towards the fallen log. What will they do? Suppose this is a log and Jenny and Bill enter to the scene. Jenny and Bill, they together enter to the scene and they head towards. Head towards means go towards. Went towards they go towards the log. This is the log, and now they were near the log. Jenny and Bill were near the log. Bill, oh, let us sit down here and take rest. Oh, let us sit here for some time, and we have to take rest for some time. They were so tired. And Bill said that let us sit here for some time and take rest. Let us sit here and let's sit here and take rest. Jenny sits down with a sigh. Sigh means deep breath. Sigh means deep breath. She also sit at the log. Oh dear, I suppose we might as well rest. It is written as rest. It is not rest. It is rest. You correct it as R-E-S-T, rest. In your text there is a word rest. It is not rest. It is rest. R-E-S-T, rest. R-E-S-T. It is written as R-E-S-K. You strike out the K and write T there. It is rest. Sits down with a sigh. Oh dear, I suppose we might as well rest. We might rest for some time. Otherwise, we will be so tired. We might take some rest. Little squirrel. Then who came there? It was a woods, and the first scene was in the center of woods. And what was there? There was a huge, large piece of log there, and that log was surrounded by bushes. And Jenny and Bill enter there, and they head towards the log. And Bill told Jenny that we have to take rest for some time. Jenny agreed, and they decided to take rest for some time, and they sit in the log. Now where were Bill and Jenny? Jenny and Bill were now taking rest by sitting on the log. They were taking rest by sitting on the log. Then who came there? The third character. Who is the third character? There was a little squirrel. Squirrel are very beautiful. We have a passion for squirrel to touch it and talk to it. Here the squirrel is talking, and squirrels are very good to see. It is a very good sight. The squirrel enters, come dancing on the stage and over to Jenny and Bill. How does it come? It come dancing onto the stage. It come dancing. It is wagging its tail. It wags its tail and come dancing. The squirrel is always in the form of dancing. Squirrel comes dancing on the stage and over to Jenny and Bill. He asked to Jenny and Bill, hello, what are you two doing out in the woods? Hello children, what are you doing in the woods? What are you doing here? You are sitting in the logs. What are you doing here? For what you come here? Who asked to whom? This little squirrel, come dancing, and that landed on the branch of a nearby tree, and he asked. In this picture we can see the squirrel. Okay, you imagine the forest area, and there was a log, and the squirrel came and sat on the branch of a tree, and it asked the children. What did it ask? It asked the children, hello, what are you doing in the woods? Both of you are sitting in the woods, and what are you doing here? Who asked? The squirrel asked the children, what are you two doing here? Then Bill, oh hello little squirrel. What did Bill say? Bill also wished the squirrel. Greeted. Wish means greeted. When we saw somebody for the first time, we will wish them. We should wish them. When we meet the teacher for the first time in the day, we will say good morning, or like that. We have to wish our teachers and parents or anybody. Whenever we meet them for the first time, we have to wish them like that. Here the squirrel wished the boy and the girl by saying hello, and the boy, that is Bill, wished the squirrel too. The boy wished the squirrel too. Hello little squirrel. The boy, Bill asked Jenny, we are looking for a present for our mother. Sunday is Mother's Day. Why were they looking so sad? Bill and Jenny looked so sad. Why? What is the reason for their sadness? Jenny said to squirrel that we are looking for a present. We are looking for a gift for from my mother. We are looking for a gift for my mother. For what you are giving gift to mother? It was Sunday. It was Sunday. Sunday was our Mother's Day. When do we celebrate Mother's Day? Can anybody know? Can you know? Yes. Do you know the answer? When was Mother's Day celebrated? Second Sunday of May is celebrated as Mother's Day. Second Sunday of May is celebrated as Mother's Day. Second Sunday. Second Sunday. Mother's Day. Second Sunday of May. Second Sunday of May is celebrated as Mother's Day. Then we are looking for a present for our mother. Sunday is Mother's Day. Who said these words? Jenny said these words. Little student, what is Mother's Day? Mother's Day. Is there any day for mothers? Okay, what is Mother's Day? Then Jenny replied, oh, it is the day when we think and remember how nice our mother is. Who is the most loving and caring for you? Who is the most loving and caring person for you? It will be your mother. Mothers are most loving and caring for the younger children. Younger children, as far as younger children are concerned, mothers were their constant companion. Mothers were their constant companion, and mothers were so loving and caring for them. So, on Mother's Day, we will show our gratitude. Gratitude means thanks. Our gratitude to your mother, and we have an opportunity to show our love for her. On Mother's Day, we got an opportunity, we will get an opportunity to show our concern and love for our mothers, to show our concern and love for our mothers. Oh, it is the day when we think and remember how nice our mother is. It is a day specialized, we are celebrating Mother's Day to remember our love and concern for our mothers. How nice our mothers are. How nice our mothers are. It is celebrated on the second Sunday of May every year. Every year Mother's Day is celebrated on second Sunday in May. Second Sunday in May we celebrate which day? Mother's Day. There are so many days. Children's Day, when is Children's Day? Children's Day is celebrated on November 14. Then Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5th. Then Independence Day, August 15th. Republic Day, 26th January. Like that, mothers are also having a special day for them, and it is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. Mother's Day is celebrated on the, never forget this, Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. Okay. Bill, and then give her a present to let her know we loved her. On Mother's Day, if children are giving a gift or present, if it is a costly one or a cheap one, that doesn't matter. The cost or the price of the present doesn't matter. But if we are giving a present or small gift to our mother, they will become very happy and they know how we love her, how we are affectionate to her. Jenny, we cannot think of what gifts to give her. Next Sunday is Mother's Day and we are confused. We have to give what gift to her, which gift did she like most, and we are in a confused stage and we couldn't know, we don't know how, which gift do we give to her. Little squirrel. Next, little squirrel. We celebrate Mother's Day to show our respect and love for them, our love and respect for them. Then our mothers will be very happy. If we give a small gift to her, they will be very happy. If we give a small gift to them, they will be very happy. And then give her a present to let her know we love her. Jenny. We can't think of what gift to give her. We are in a confused state. We don't think that which gift she loves most, which thing she loves most, and which thing is valuable for her. We are in a confused state. We laughing. Little squirrel. Why? That's easy. Why you are confused? It's very easy to give her a gift. her a big fat and juicy nut. Squirrels eat nuts. Which is the food of squirrels? Squirrels eat nuts, and here this little squirrel said that it is very easy. There is no confusion for me. If you want to give a valuable gift or a good gift for your mother, present for your mother, you give a large and juicy nut to her. The large and juicy nut. That is what I had to give to mother. I always, whenever I have a love for my mother, I picked up a large and a big and juicy nut. There were so many nuts that contain juice inside it, juicy nuts. And then when I give a juicy nut to my mother, she will be very happy. Like that, you can also give a juicy nut to your mother. Bill laughing on hearing the comment of the squirrel. What did Bill do? Bill laughed. Bill smiled. Oh, but that is different. Your opinion is very different. Your opinion is very different, Jenny. Our mother isn't a squirrel. Jenny said to the squirrel, you are squirrel, so you give a juicy nut to your mother. She loves that juicy nut. But my mother is not a squirrel to love juicy nuts. Little dear. Then came the little deer. Who is the next character? Then came here Jenny and Bill were talking to the little squirrel. At that time, the next character enters. Who is the next character? The little deer come to the scene. The little deer come to the scene. Little deer poking its head through the bushes. Poking means poking its head from the little bushes. There were so many bushes there around the log, and it come out of the bushes. The little deer come out of the bushes. Whose mother is the squirrel? He heard only the last sentence. He heard only the last sentence that Jenny said. What did Jenny say? Our mother is the squirrel. It is heard by the deer, and it came and asked, whose mother is the squirrel? Whose mother is the squirrel? Bill and Jenny. Our mother is the squirrel. She is a human being. And how do she like a big and juicy nut? It is not a lovable thing for us. Our mother, little deer, stepping out from the bushes. And now little deer came out from the bushes. Well, of course not. Who ever heard of such a thing? Who ever heard of such a thing? Little squirrel. Well, since you know so much about it, maybe you can help him. Okay, dear, please come. Who said? Squirrel asked deer to come out from the bushes. The squirrel asked deer to come out from the bushes and find a solution for their problem. Find a solution for their problem. What was their problem? They don't know what gift can they give to their mother on Mother's Day. Then come dear, please come and join us and find a solution for their problem. Little dear, what is the trouble? What is their problem? What is the problem with the children? Jenny, Sunday is Mother's Day. Okay, you know Sunday is Mother's Day, Bill, and we cannot think of a present for our mother. Sunday is Mother's Day, and we decided to give a gift to her, but we are confused what to give. We are confused what kind of a gift to give. Little dear, what is Mother's Day? Mother's Day. Is there any day for a mother? What is Mother's Day, little squirrel? It is the day when they show their respect to their mother and tell her that they love her. It is a day. Mother's Day is a special day. On that day, the children show their respect and love for their mother. What is the specialty of Mother's Day? On Mother's Day, all the children show their respect and love for their mother. Show their respect and love for their mother. Little dear. Oh, let me think for some time. Now little dear got the idea what is a Mother's Day and why the children were in a troubled manner. So now he is thinking. Very seriously he is thinking. Oh, let me think. Gazes up in the air. What did he do? Gazes up in the air in a thinking manner. Gazes up in the air, thinking when looks back at others. Then what did he do? He gazes up in the air and in a thinking manner, and after some time he looks at others. He looked at others. I have got an idea. What did he say? I have got an idea. Why don't you fine patch of new grass. What did deers eat? Deers eat grass, fine patches of grass. Deers eat fine patches of grass. And here this deer have an opinion that you should give a fresh and fine patches of grass to her. Then she will be very pleasant. She will be very pleasant. And then what will be their reaction? Let us see Jenny. Then what should, that is what I do with for my mother. Here little deer said that why don't you give a fresh and little patch of green grass to your mother? Then she will be very happy. That is what I give to my mother on Mother's Day. Jenny, but what should she do with the grass? She is a human being. Then you are deer. You like grasses and we don't like grass. Then what should she do with the grass? What should she do with the grass? Little deer. Why? Eat it, of course. The deer think that all the creatures eat grass and they love grass. And Bill, she isn't a deer. The first time to the squirrel, Jenny said that she is not a squirrel. Here, Bill said that she is not a deer. Our mother is not a deer. Yes, mark that place. This will be enough for today. And I will read this portion one more time. And you listen to the text. Setting. The woods, a big fallen log in the center with the bushes around it. Jenny and Bill enter and head towards the fallen log slowly. Bill, oh, let us sit down here and rest. Jenny, sit down with a sigh. Oh dear, I suppose we might as well rest. Little squirrel comes dancing onto the stage and over to Jenny and Bill. Hello, what are you two doing out in the woods? Bill, oh hello, little squirrel. Jenny, we are looking for a present for our mother. Sunday is Mother's Day. Little squirrel, what is Mother's Day? The little squirrel asked her, what is Mother's Day? Jenny, oh, this is the day when we think and remember how nice our mother is. It is celebrated on the second Sunday of May every year. Bill, and then give her a present to let her know we love her. Jenny, we can't think of what gift to give her. Little squirrel, why? That's easy. Give her a big fat and juicy nut. That is what I would give to my mother. Bill, laughing, oh, but that is different. Jenny, our mother isn't a squirrel. Little deer, poking its head through the bushes. Whose mother isn't a squirrel? Bill and Jenny, our mother. Little deer, stepping out from the bushes. Well, of course not. Who ever heard of such a thing? Little squirrel. Well, since you know so much about it, maybe you can help them. Little deer, what is the trouble? Jenny, Sunday is Mother's Day. Bill, and we can't think of a present for our mother. Little deer, what is Mother's Day? Little squirrel, it's the day when they show their respect to their mother and tell her that they love her. Little deer, oh, let me think, gazes up in the air, thinking, then looks back at others. I have it. Why don't you gift her a fine patch of new grass? That is what I would do to my mother. Jenny, but what should she do with the grass? Little deer, why? Eat it, of course. Bill, she is in a deer. Do all of you get the point? Today let us wind up there, and you should read the text 4 or 5 times in your house. Ask your parent or elders to sit with you while reading. No, don't read only one time. You read 4 or 5 times on the same day when I teach, and it will be easy for you to understand. You underline the tough words, that means new words will come across while reading, and you study the spelling of that words. Today's words are present. You study the names of characters. Okay, it is very important you study the names of characters. The characters in the play are Jenny, Janie, then Bill, the boy, and squirrel, deer, bear, rabbit, then wise old owl. What is the meaning of present? Present means gift. Present means gift. Play. It is a play. It is not a story. It is a play. Play means drama. What is the meaning of play? Play means drama. In a drama there were so many characters, and here are these characters, and there were more than one scene. In this drama there is two scenes. Okay, let us continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.